Welcome to this video tutorial that walks principal investigators, PIs, through the status screen. As a PI, you log into eRay Commons as you always have, and from the landing screen, click on the blue Status button. You can also access status by clicking on the main menu icon in the upper left corner and selecting Status from the menu. Status PI Search Screen. This opens the Status PI Search screen. You can search for a list of your recent application submissions, or you can access all of your successfully submitted applications, that is, applications that have been awarded and applications that need actions taken on them, for example, just-in-time, closeout, Research Performance Progress Report, RPPR, etc. And if you want to look for a specific application, you can search using its Grants.gov tracking number. Recent Pending eSubmissions Search. Starting with recent pending eSubmissions, you are searching to see if your recently submitted application has any errors or warnings, applications that have passed all the validations and are in the 2 business day review window, or applications that have been rejected by your signing official. To initiate a search, simply click anywhere within the Recent Pending eSubmissions box. The system returns all the results for recent submissions. The results are organized with the most recent submissions first on the list. The results include the Grants.gov tracking number, application ID number, which is hyperlinked to the status information screen, the eSubmission status, proposal title, PDPI name, eSubmission status date, and lastly, a button to display all errors and warnings. Search by Grants.gov tracking number. Now, let's look at the Grants.gov tracking number search. You key in the tracking number of the appropriate application and click the search button. The system returns the result. You see a summary of the application. Use the Return to PI Search link in the upper right corner to return to the main status search page. List by Applications Awards Search. The final search option is the List of Applications Awards. Like the Recent Pending eSubmissions section, simply move the cursor over the section and click the area to initiate a search. The search results screen presents a count of the total number of applications and awards near the top of the search results. It organizes applications and awards by family. The family is defined by the grant number using the activity code, awarding IC code, and the unique serial number of the application. Along the far right are color-coded badges that show the current status of the award or application. Each family represents the activity of that award over the life of the grant. The total number of revisions, supplements, and/or renewals is displayed next, followed by the project period start and end dates, PDPI name, and project title. By clicking anywhere in the shaded area, you can expand the family. Here you see the same information as the results of a search by the Grants.gov tracking number, including buttons in the last column for available actions. Clicking on the application ID opens the status information screen, and clicking on an action button opens the appropriate screen for that action. By default, the List of Applications Awards screen is organized by the award families. This is denoted by the Group to View button at the top of the table. You can also see the results in a single table, ungrouped, by clicking the Flat View button. The screen will refresh showing the same information, just organized differently. Actions are available by clicking the Action button and then selecting from the options displayed. You can also export the search results. Click the Export button at the top right of the table. You can choose between exporting the information as an Excel spreadsheet or a PDF. You can also print the screen by selecting the Print option. Resources. There are a number of resources available to you to help you with status should you need it. If you have additional questions about the status screen, contact the ERA Service Desk. This concludes this tutorial that reviews the features and functionality of the Principal Investigator status screen. Thank you for watching.